Hey friend, good day. This is a sunny day. In fact, the spring day is pretty well. Okay, look at this machine. This machine is our big one CNC Slant lathe machine. This model is 650 and 2 meter. This machine's max swing of the blade is 650 millimeters. And this machine is equipped with the 12-inch hydraulic chuck. You can see that the spindle bore is 105 millimeters. And look at here. This machine is equipped use the power tower. You can look at this power tower. Maybe is BR650. This one is the power head. You can see this wheel, and they have another one. Okay, this wheel. You can see this is hydraulic T-stock. And this machine is pretty long, so long, and so this machine will have a hydraulic stand rest. You can look at this. Okay, finally, we look at this machine's CNC controller system. This one is use the Chinese famous brand GSK. You can see the detail about this one. Okay, this panel. Okay, look at here. Okay, this one is this machine's lubrication.